how to integrate acacia fiber into your daily routine for better health. As the world evolves, so does our understanding of nutrition and its remarkable impact on health and well-being. Today we're focusing on an extraordinary ingredient that's taking the health world by storm, acacia fiber. But what exactly is acacia fiber? And more importantly, how do you integrate it into your daily routine for better health? Let's dive in. What is acacia fiber? Acacia fiber or acacia gum comes from the sap of the acacia tree, which is native to Africa and Australia. It's a dietary fiber that promotes optimal digestion, helps maintain healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels, moderates appetite, and even promotes probiotic balance in the gut. But how do we add this potent dietary essence to our daily regime? Here are 6 simple ways. 1. Stir it in your morning drink. Start your day with a health boost by adding a spoonful of acacia fiber to your morning drink. It mixes readily in water, coffee, juice, or a smoothie without altering the taste. 2. Mix it into your breakfast. Sprinkle a tablespoon of acacia fiber into your favorite breakfast cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. It's simple, convenient, and an effective way to kickstart your digestive system. 3. Blend it into your pre-post workout shake. Boost your workout results by adding acacia fiber to your pre- or post-workout shakes. It's not only great for your gut, but it also delivers a steady stream of energy, ensuring you stay fueled throughout your workout and recovery. 4. Bake it into your goodies. For those who enjoy home-baked goodies, consider adding acacia fiber to your recipes. Whether it's a bread recipe, a batch of muffins, or yummy cupcakes, acacia fiber makes a fantastic baking ingredient while significantly elevating the health factor of your treats. 5. Incorporate it in your salad dressing. Add acacia fiber to your homemade salad dressings. It adds a good dose of dietary fiber to your already healthy greens and helps keep you full for a longer period. 6. Create fiber-rich desserts. Consider making fiber-rich desserts with acacia fiber. Try it in pudding recipes, fruit parfaits, or even homemade ice cream as a way to enjoy a treat while adding some nutritional goodness. In conclusion, integrating acacia fiber into your daily routine can have a multitude of health benefits, but as with all nutritional supplements, it's essential to use it in moderation. If you're new to using this, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. Now that you know how to incorporate acacia fiber into your daily routine for better health, why not browse our e-store and check out our selection of high-quality acacia fiber products? Make the step towards a healthier lifestyle today. Don't hesitate to contact our friendly customer service team. If you have any further questions or require assistance, we're always here to help.